In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix trading disabled error in Metatrader 5. If you've ever tried to place an order and seen a message that trading is disabled, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few settings or account details that are easy to check and fix. I'll walk you through what to look for, why it matters, and how to get back to placing trades confidently. Start by opening your Metatrader 5 platform and giving it a moment to connect. Look at the bottom right of the window to confirm you're online. You should see green bars and a data rate. If it shows no connection, trading will be unavailable until you're connected to the correct server. Also, make sure the symbol you're trying to trade is visible in the market watch list and that the market is open for that instrument. Outside trading hours, you can still analyze, but you won't be able to execute. If you're using an expert advisor, the algo trading button at the top of MT5 needs to be turned on and showing green. When it's off, any automated strategy is blocked from sending orders, which can trigger the trading disabled error. It's also a good idea to open the EA settings on the chart and confirm that algorithmic trading is allowed for that particular EA. In the platform settings, there's a global control for algorithmic trading as well. If algo trading is green, your EA is attached to the chart and you're connected to the server, you've cleared the most common EA-related cause. Next, check your account permissions. Some logins are read-only, sometimes called investor access, which lets you view charts and trades but not open or close positions. If you're logged in with a read-only credential, any trade attempt will fail. In addition, brokers can temporarily restrict trading on an account for reasons like pending verification, insufficient margin, or compliance checks. You'll want to confirm that your account is fully enabled for trading and that the instrument you're trying to trade is permitted on your account type. Now, head to the Accounts section inside MT5. If you don't see it, open the Navigator panel from the View menu or by pressing the shortcut. The Accounts area lists the logins you've used on this terminal. This is where you can make sure you're connected to the right place. Right-click on Accounts to manage your login. This brings up options that let you switch accounts or reconnect if needed. If your platform looks connected but you still get trading disabled, a fresh login can resolve mismatches between your stored credentials and the broker's server. Click Login to Trade Account. This opens the secure login window where you'll confirm your details. It's the same place you use when adding a new live or demo account to the platform. Carefully check your login, password, and server. The server selection must match exactly what your broker provided, including whether it's a demo or live server. Passwords are case sensitive, and using an investor password will block trading by design. If you change the password through your broker, update it here too. Only enable saving the password on a device you trust. After you've confirmed all three fields, log in and wait for the connection status to go green. Try a small test order on a commonly traded symbol to verify trading is active. If you still see trading disabled, review the symbol's contract specifications to make sure trading is allowed, confirm you have sufficient free margin, and ensure the market session is currently open for that instrument. If you've checked everything above and you still can't trade, contact your broker's support through their official help channels. Let them know you're seeing a trading disabled message in Metatrader 5 and provide helpful context such as your account type, the instrument you tried to trade, the time it happened, and any error text from the journal or toolbox. They can confirm if there's a server-side restriction, a symbol-specific block, or an account status that needs attention. Follow these checks in order and you'll typically resolve the error quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Metatrader 5 trading again smoothly.